This built-under double oven from AEG is an excellent choice for households looking for a model with amazing technology to make cooking effortless. It has a medium-sized 50-litre capacity in the main oven and a medium-sized 42-litre capacity in the second oven. The main cavity is also multifunctional, with great functions including a fast grilling and defrost setting. AEG's surround cook system in the main oven creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make starters, mains, and desserts at the same time. This model features catalytic liners on the inner walls of both ovens, which clean the oven while it's in use. Working best at high temperatures, these liners absorb and dissolve food splatters to help your oven stay grease-free. So, you can save money on expensive oven cleaners and spend less time scrubbing. If you're looking for an oven with amazing technology to make cooking effortless, this built-under double oven from AEG is an excellent choice.